Hey guys, it's Saturday after Thanksgiving, the big Alabama and Auburn game day. But while I have some spare time, I was just kind of tinkering around with my truck, this 88 GMC Sierra, and I was going to show y'all some progress I've done on it. If any of you have watched, my big whole 5 viewers or subscribers, let's see that there used to be a whole bunch of stuff here, air conditioner stuff and heater hose stuff, and none of that was hooked up, so I pulled it all out and cleaned it up. Looks sort of kind of a little bit better. But I noticed when I was driving the truck, kind of changing into third gear, it's kind of lacking a little bit. So pull some of the fluid out just to look at it. And as you can see, it still does have some tint to it, but you know, it does have a little darkness in it. It doesn't appear to have any shavings in it that I could tell. I won't know until I change the fluid and look at the magnet that's in there. But smelt a little bit burnt, which it may be because when I bought the truck, it had overheated, and it probably heated the fluid up and caused it to burn. So I'm gonna have to change the fluid and filter and stuff off it. But anyway, it's just a small little video of how I cleaned everything up, and still got to chase these wires down here, delete them out. I'm dreading it, but looks a lot cleaner since I did the AC compressor delete off of it. Looks a little cleaner. But anyway, thanks for watching, and roll tide.